Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. So in today's video, I will be carving my pumpkin. I can't hold it here because it's heavy. But yeah, I'm going to be carving it and I cannot wait. I know I haven't posted a video in like a month, but I don't know why. But I'm going to carve my pumpkin and I cannot wait. So I'm going to go do that.
Boys and girls of every age, would you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this part of Halloween.
So as you guys can see, I got this big pumpkin and I know it's like almost the end of October, but it's still good. So I have my little carving kit thing with all like the little knives things. So as you guys can see, these are the little kit things. And if you guys want to get this, I'll link it down below. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It has little pumpkin faces on it and I think it's very cute. And this is like your little scooper thing, I think it is, right? Yeah, this is a little scooper thing to get all the things out. But yeah, I'm going to do that. And there's like little knife things to cut it up. So I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to take this out. And oh my God. Let me grab my bowl. Oops, I just dropped it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got all the seeds out. As you guys can see, it's all clear. So now all I have to do is draw the face on. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do Jack Skellington. So that's what I'm going to do. So for me to do it, I'm going to draw it on with a pencil and then I'll just carve it like that. So as you guys can see, I drew it on so I can get it. So I just pretty much like did that. So I'm going to go carve it. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. I've done the smile, I've even done like the little things. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to put lights in there. I'm going to put it out. So as you guys can see, this is what my pumpkin looks like. I even put some like little LED. So you see I put some little LED lights in there. So that's what it looks like. And I even did the little smile. I try to do like the little cuts to look like a little skeleton thing. But that's what it looks like. So I cannot wait to put it outside. So as you guys can see, I got these little pumpkin things. They're like little trick-or-treat baskets. So what I did was I put little LED lights in there and I just pretty much hanged them up. So I got a pink one, a green one, a blue one, and an orange one. So, well, it's kind of red, but it's like orange. See, this is my pumpkin right here. That's what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.